All right, now here is the moment of truth. We're going to take this off and we're going to pour kerosene in here. Sorry about the period incorrect container, but one has to do what one has to do. I'm gonna fill this up. All right, so that's not completely full, but it is definitely at least 2/3 full. And as long as this thing doesn't blow up, that is the important thing. Now, I know we got to, all right, so we got pressure coming in there. We're going to put some alcohol in here, which is not there we go. Hopefully this thing doesn't blow up on us. So there it is. It's heating up. Okay, it's starting to hear it hiss now. That means it's boiling. Okay, good. All good signs. All right, looks like it's vaporizing a little bit because some of the flames are starting to come out of that lipstick burn. So I think, and it's starting to smell like the kerosene's starting to go off.
The dishwasher has a reenactment.
All right, so as we can see, there is definitely a seal that needs to be replaced, but that breaks down the first firing of the stove, because we can get the fuel out. All right, so that tells me that there's a leak somewhere. We're going to have to get these seals replaced. We have fuel coming out here. There's also not a hiss when I open this up. So we're losing air pressure. But you get this basic premise. When you prime it with this, that will heat up this tube here. And then once it's pretty much completely burned out, you can hear it bubble and hiss and everything, and then you can start pumping. And once you start pumping, the pressure should be able to be released gradually. There's something going on here. So I think this is the seal for sure that needs to be replaced. I don't see any fuel coming from here, but I'm going to go ahead and replace that one as well. And I think I got to do something about this cup, because it's able to push down, but it kind of loses the grip. So I don't know if it needs a new cup or not, or I might have to let it dry out in a certain shape. That way it holds it, because I think it's collapsing on itself right there. My friend, I want to invite you to be part of a community. I remember before starting this community that it was pretty hard finding people who were like me, like to have conversations about historical antiques with camp crafting, talking about skills, old sources, and things like that. And I found the group of people on the Traditional Camp Crafting Guild, and I want to invite you to come on there as well. It's a great group of people that enjoy this kind of stuff, enjoy camping and hiking, bush crafting or woodcraft, and all those other outdoor adventure skills. And what's really nice about it is eventually networking. What's really nice about it is the networking aspect of it. People are already talking about getting together and going on excursions, even if it's just a day excursion. So if you're like me and you like to go camping, but you want that more of that community experience, then I strongly suggest that you check it out. You can check it out for 5 free days. Doesn't even require a credit card unless you decide to continue, but you can poke around, check out all the different features. We've got roundtable discussions by experts on there that are exclusive to the guild members. And we have other special events that is just posted on there for the guild members. So I really encourage you to check it out. And come on and have some discussions with us, grab a cup of coffee, sit around our campfire, and welcome to the club. If you've liked this video, please click like. That way other people find it. You'll be helping them out as well. If you're interested in checking out the other videos of stoves that I have, then check this one out here. This one's really cool because it's from the 1920s, and you can't check out my list of stoves without checking out this one here. This is from the early 1900s, late 1800s. Both of them are really, really cool. So thank you for stopping by. Give a kiss, hug to your loved ones, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.